Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download the game update on your Nintendo Switch. So if you're playing some games you want to check for an update, this is very easy to do. So just on the home screen, select the game we want to go ahead and check an update for. So one of the games I play a lot is Rocket League. Let's go to it and then press the plus icon on our controller. Open up this page. Then we want to go down to System Software Update right here, or just Software Update. It says it's downloading it right now. You can view the download status via the home menu. The download will pause if the system software is being played uses communication features. Okay, so if you're trying to play online, you probably won't be able to unless you have the latest version. And if I select Rocket League with A, we can go to the download right here and just look at it. So mine says it's paused. So I'm going to download this software first. Alright, and then we can go back. And it should be downloading now. So it's at 0%. I can see it's calculating now. Oh, that's 12 gigabytes. Okay, so there's not enough data on my Nintendo Switch. I need to get a new SSD in there. But we can go over a game like Mario. We're going to have two different options now. Once we have it downloaded, it says match version with local users. You can communicate with local users to unify your software version. Then we can go to via the internet after an update. If you're unable to access the purchase download, re-download it from the Nintendo eShop. So let's go to via the internet. It's checking for the update, and I already have the latest one installed. So looks like I can't download the update for my other games here just because I have too many games installed already. But hopefully this video did indeed help you. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.